The next question is also quite an interesting question. So, this is it. Should the government ban tobacco products? Why? Okay, so let's see how we can answer this particular question. Okay, so I strongly favor banning of tobacco products because celebrities are role models for teenagers and youngsters. The youth is likely to get influenced by celebrity endorsements as youngsters are sometimes unable to differentiate the good from the bad. We will lead a healthier and more efficient life without tobacco. However, some people argue that the government earns revenue from taxes on tobacco products. Okay, so should the government ban tobacco products? Okay, and why? So we can say yes or no. So obviously we would most preferably always say yes. So I strongly favor banning of tobacco products because celebrities are role models for teenagers and youngsters. The youth is likely to get influenced by celebrity endorsements as youngsters are sometimes unable to differentiate the good from the bad. Okay, so initially I'm stating as to how these youngsters and small children in the sense mostly it's just the teenagers and the youngsters. They get heavily influenced by celebrities, and these days tobacco companies, okay, so they all have find celebrities to endorse their products, right? So number one, celebrities endorsements should never happen in promoting or the sale of tobacco products. Okay, and how is it going to affect me? Okay, it's going to help me if I ban. Okay, if the government is going to ban the products, it's going to help in leading a healthier and an efficient life. Sometimes, and finally, I also try to talk about the controversy here. Now, I say no, but generally, people they generally believe that tobacco and alcohol, the taxes imposed on them, they bring in a lot of revenue to the government. So, I have mentioned that point also. However, some people argue that government earns revenue from the taxes that are imposed on the tobacco products. So that is the reality, that is what people generally speak. But my personal opinion is that tobacco should definitely be banned because, and especially when celebrities endorse those products, our teenagers and youngsters are likely to get influenced.